Good morning, students, and welcome to another online life science class of St. Michael's Academy. In this revision lesson today, I am going to show you some diagrams with their functions. So let's start. First, I am discussing about the excretory system. The excretory system consists of organs which remove metabolic waste and toxins from the body. In humans, this includes the removal of urea from the bloodstream and other waste produced by the body. The removal of urea happens in the kidneys, while solid waste are expelled from the large intestine. So these are the mainly functions of excretory system. Now see this. This is the excretory system. This is the kidney. Nephrons. Kidney consists of nephrons. Nephrons are urine-making cells. See, from blood, urine is producing. Urine is produced from blood by kidney. Nephron, urine consists generally, a kidney consists of lots of nephrons. So nephrons mainly help in this process. Now see the excretory system: kidney, ureter, urinary bladder. You can see the total excretory system. Two kidneys are there. From two kidneys, ureter, this is a tube-like structure that is called ureter. After that, urinary bladder is there. This is urethra. So this is the total structure of excretory system, and this is the function of excretory system. Okay. Now, we are going to study what is the external structure of human brain. We all know that the human brain is a delicate organ made up of soft nervous tissue, the bony skull, and three membranous coverings called meninges protect the brain. A watery fluid called the cerebrospinal fluid or CNS fills the space between the three coverings. The brain is the control center of the body. So from the outer part, our brain is made up of four lobes: the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe. See, this is frontal lobe, this is parietal lobe, this is temporal lobe, and this is occipital lobe. Hope so you have understood actually in which portion of our brain these lobes are situated. Now, what are the functions of human brain? The brain is arguably the most important organ in the human body. It controls and coordinates actions and reactions, allows us to think and feel, and enables us to have memories and feelings, all the things that make us human. Now see, this portion of the brain is responsible for movement. This portion of the brain is responsible for sensation. This portion is responsible for vision. This portion is responsible for coordination. This portion is responsible for our memory. This portion is responsible for reward. And this portion is responsible for pain. And this portion is responsible for judgment. So we can see actually our brain is responsible for the every emotion or every work that we used to do. That's why without our brain or without the function of the brain, we are nothing. Now in this slide, we'll discuss about spinal cord. The spinal cord is a cylindrical structure located inside the vertebral column. It extends from the medulla oblongata to the end of the vertebral column. It is made up of 31 segments. Each segment gives out with a pair of spinal nerves. So the spinal cord is a long, thin tubular structure made up of nervous tissue which extends from the medulla oblongata in the brainstem to the lumbar region of the vertebral column. It encloses the central part or central canal of the spinal cord which contains cerebrospinal fluid or CNS. Now see this diagram carefully. This is brain, this is brainstem, and from here spinal cord starts. Okay. Now in this spinal cord, these are spinal nerves. These are spinal nerves. You can see. And in between the two nerves, one vertebrae located. That means these are the vertebrae. One moment. So these are the vertebrae and these are the spinal nerves. So one is spinal nerve and these are the vertebrae. Hope so you have understood this. For subject-related doubts or queries, please email me at sudeshna1.sma@outlook.com. We also welcome your responses by way of your views and feedback on the PPTs or videos at feedback.stmichaelsacademy@gmail.com. Thank you, students, and have a nice day.